So in this series we are discussing about advanced PHP, and we have already discussed about class, object, and there are lots of concept of inheritance, method overriding, and some related topics about advanced PHP. And in this video we will discuss about constants. So what is constant? So constant is such things that cannot be changed once we declare. So if we declare any variable, let's suppose $I equal to 0, and further we can change the value of $I, that is $I equal to 2, and if we just go to echo and print $I, we can see the output, the value of I is 2, because we are changing the value in the next line and we are printing this $I, so the latest I value will be print. But if we declare any constant, we cannot change the value. So let's take an example of constant, and we will use the oops concept along with this. So suppose I am creating a class, so my class name is, suppose I am writing some example. Okay, so my class name is example, and here I want to declare a constant variable. So how we can do this? So there is a keyword, that is const, that is the keyword to declare any constant variable, and after that we need to write the name of the variable. Suppose my variable name is welcome message. Okay, so general method to declare any constant variable, that should be in block letter, and at the beginning we cannot write any digit or any special character. Okay, so basically the constant variable will be in caps, and after that we can assign the value of constant. So here I am assigning some value. We'll just write welcome to learning points YouTube channel. Okay, so here the welcome message is the constant variable. So how we can get access of this variable? So here we need to write the class name, and after that the scope resolution operator. So right here echo and write the name of the class, that is example, and this is the scope resolution operator, that is the double colon, and after that the welcome message. So if we run this, we can see the output from the constant variable. So just go to the browser and refresh this, welcome to learning points YouTube channel. So generally if you want to print any value from any class, we need to create the object of that class, and we need to print the properties or methods using that object. But for constant we need to use simply the class name and the scope resolution operator and the welcome message, that is the constant variable. So this is the basic example of constants. But the question is, if you want to use this constant variable inside any class methods, so how we can access this? So just write a function inside the class. So write public function, and suppose I am creating the function's name, that is my function. Okay, and to get access of the constant variable, we need to introduce another new keyword, that is the self. Okay, so self is the keyword to access the constant variable within the same class. So just write scope resolution operator, and in the same line we need to use the welcome message, that is the constant variable, and we can echo this. Now if we want to call this function in the general way, we need to create the object of this class. So just create an object, that is here I am creating a beer, so we will print into the next line, and here create the object. So suppose my object name is $obj, and we need to write the new to create the object, and example, that is the class name. Okay, and to call the my function, we need to use $obj, and the function's name is my function. So basically this is the example class functions. Okay, so we need to call with the object. So now if you go to the browser and refresh this, we can see the same output, that is welcome to Learning Points YouTube channel. So first one is coming from this. So here we are directly accessing the constant variable from outside of the class, and the second output, that is this one, we are getting with the help of the class methods. So now we can understand how to use constant variable from the class and how to get access of the constant variable from the class method also. So this is the very small concept but tricky concept of constant in advanced PHP. So if you have any queries about this video, please comment in a below comment section. Next day we will going to show you what is abstract class and what is abstract method. Okay, so please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.